Succeeding for closing. So there are many ways to do the exercise. So all our exercises are designed to train foundations, the core of everything for our Tai Chi. The first one is you only want to stretch on the same line as long as possible. Ignore what else happens to the body, like this here, to go until it's long. So this is the first one here. Everything else could be wrong, but we focus on one thing. That's good. Let's do 20. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the method is that you are copying me, but only focus on the task at hand. At the same time, when you're watching me, and I try to not only give you the focus, but my body behavior is that if you're watching me a lot, you will pick up many other things that's required or that's correct, and that's subtle.